Don't miss the largest vacation sale in the...
This McDonald's has the nicest plants, which is the craziest thing to say that a McDonald's has nice plants.
We're choosing McDonald's. Will we be using rewards app today?
Yes. It's just like a dream butterfly oasis. Plant goals. I love hanging baskets, but our hooks for ours are under the porch, so I think it wouldn't get very much sun. And like this office right here, I feel that. I totally feel that. Look how much water is coming out of the dam right there. Nature!
Yeah.
Okay. You have got to be kidding me! Are you joking? So I didn't really show you guys much of the greenhouse because my friend and I were just trying to make decisions on what I want. We've got this silhouette purple, and then this is, I think this is the same thing only in pink. And that's just a single pot. And I believe these are $3.50 each. Wow! I got one of these creeping jennies because I've heard they can be like out of control. So I only wanted one. And it's a perennial, so I want to make sure I can handle a single before I get more. That was also $3.50. Then these are little flats of violet, shaded violets, which is good. And then this massive looking display. This is a single plant and I paid $3.50 for this. So I got 2 pinks and 2 reds. The space here is kind of big and there's not a lot of dirt underneath this actual wood chip situation. So we might be digging for a long time and we might need a lot more actual dirt. But that's okay. We've got our plants. We'll start with this. And then we might have to go back tomorrow for more. Oh no, more plants. So sad. Yeah, so I paid $28.37 and then a $1.51 credit card convenience fee. 7 plants for $3.50, 2 for $1.50. Yeah, I think I might have paid $1.50 for just those. Cool. Yay, plants. Okay, so my plants, I've got about half of them in. I need another bag of dirt. I'm not surprised. I did, however, have the FedEx man come gift me another package. This is the last thing I've ordered. I have nothing else coming in the mail that I know of. My friend, this morning I would have been having eggs and dippy toast. Dan is mowing the lawn. It comes in 2 colors, a dark pink and a light pink, and I probably would have just gotten the dark pink, but online it's only in the 2-pack. If you can find it in stores, they sell them separately, but no Walmarts near me have the Paris Hilton collection. How cute! This piece comes out a little bit after 11:30. I'm going to the 1210 Express Flow class today. I love it because there's only 40 minutes, so I feel like I'm hot and I'm dying, but it's only 40 minutes at 92 degrees. So first we'll go to yoga, then we'll go to Walmart, unless we're deathly looking, then we'll come home. But usually the 12 o'clock class isn't so full, and it's the full classes that like the humidity gets up and you just die, like Sunday. But our outfit of the day, those shorts I got Saturday, this is a Target, a new day tank top, and I would wear this to yoga, but it's really, really thick, and we don't want to wear a thick tank top to yoga. This is what we're gonna wear. The tank top is Shein. The shorts, it's a V-neck. They have these at Walmart in the same style, but not the same color. It's from last year. I think I paid like $12 for them. If I was a person that told Walmart what to buy, I would tell them, hey, stop all the solid colors. We want fun, patterns, floral. So we got the usual long mat. I picked out my rainbow cup today, and I decided to bring my full-on Manduka Yogi Toes towel because I wish I would have had it Sunday, but I probably won't need it today. It just seems like how it goes. And it's a special towel because it has these grippies on it that grips to your yoga mat so you don't slide around. It's like an $80 towel, but it's nice. But again, an $80 towel. Dying. I don't often go in the lawn and garden doors. Definitely new for me. Let's check out the new plants. I mean, why not? I saw where people put a pizza pan on top of these and they spray painted it, so it's just like a cute little table, which I would totally do, or just use the planter, but I'm not paying $30 for a planter. No, thank you. So besides dirt, I wanted to look at the plants. I'm gonna make my tuna salad for lunch again, and I decided I wanted a cucumber for my tuna because I like cucumber with my tuna. And then, what do you know? Cucumber plants. So I'm gonna pick a nice big one. Oh no, you look half dead. I think that first one I had was pretty good. A little trellis. Feeling like a strawberry lemonade, like a slushy, icy mix. So we've got our snow cone maker, shaved ice, whatever you call it. We're gonna do that, and then we'll have to juice our lemon, wash our strawberries. Perfect. So my problem is my ice maker doesn't make enough that I can have more ice than that. Like, this cup was literally all my ice maker keeps at a time, so that's a bummer. And the blender doesn't have the option to make the chunks. So even though there is dough blend and crush, it doesn't crush very well. It just mixes it around. The blender's old. So it's unfortunate that it takes 3 appliances to get this tasty thing, but I mean, it's worth it. Okay, so we need a tablespoon of onions. Just do a big old heap. We need to go drain the water out of our tuna. The worst part, there's nothing worse than plain yogurt, but we need about 1/3 of this container for our tuna. So this much for our concoction and that much for me to eat. And now we just need some spicy ranch mayo. So normally I would do rice cakes or crackers, but I have these cute little dinner rolls that I need to eat up. So I'm gonna put that on this, drink my lemonade, and have a good lunch. I almost forgot about the cucumber. Gonna wash this, slice this, put some on my sandwich, but also I can use that for dipping too. A perfect summer day. I am so hot and sweaty. I just spent almost an hour just trying to get a tomato Cajun because when I planted them and I got rid of the rocks, I didn't think about I'd have to put a Cajun. It's been a while since I've had to garden, and I only got rid of the rocks and the weed guard enough to fit the pot in. Well, dumb me now had to go back through, watch out for the roots of the tomato plant that are popping up above the dumb weed guard, and cut through the weed guard, get rid of all the rocks. The next thing you know, it's an hour. And you know what? I have 2 tomato plants. So I'll see you in another hour. Like, this is just absolute chaos. Definitely Instagram worthy. And I'm gonna have to waste some of my dirt to fill back in what I dug out. I'm not gonna do all of it, just around the plant itself, but you know, I wanted to be planting over here. We did it. Now to waste our dirt and fill this back in. Sitting on the couch and just relaxing. We finished all of the plants from within the tree. The tomato project is done. I have half a bag of dirt left, so I'm not very motivated to plant my other little plants that are sitting around because I don't have enough dirt. However, I'm starving, and Dan and I don't feel like making dinner, and Topper sounds so good. So we ordered a triple of the regular Topper sticks. I love the garlic dipping sauce, and then we got the cinnamon sticks with the like cream cheese frosting dipping. It's so good. It was such a treat growing up because Toppers was more than a half hour away from our house. You basically could like choose it on your birthday and that was it. And then when I went to college, we got it all the time because it was only a couple miles down the road. And then they opened up a location in my town. And I like Toppers so much that when they open a new location and you're one of the first 50 in line, you get free Toppers for a year. So every single week I had a little coupon where I could go to Toppers and get a free whatever they were advertising that week. And well, it was great for like the first 2 months, and then I was just like so done. And it was almost a chore to go and get my free food. But anyways, I am going to just chill and wait for dinner. Got my little baby mini Coke while we wait for our dinner to arrive. Here's our $30 plants. Cute. I'm pretty sure that all of these are annuals except for that little creeping jetty, but I might be surprised pleasantly next year. So this is a fourth of the triple topper sticks. It's basically the size of a normal pizza box, and then this is the garlic butter. And here's the dessert kind. Fully planned on not leaving the house today until about 5 o'clock because it is a $5 movie day. So of course we're gonna go see the new Inside Out 2 movie. I'm very excited. I've seen it quite a few times with students during like indoor recess and that sort of thing. But this morning I was so excited to use my new pan because yesterday I couldn't because I was having breakfast with a friend, and I reach in, I grab the carton of eggs out of the fridge and it's empty. Does anyone else have men that just don't even think and they keep the empty container? Is that just like a male character trait? Because this has happened before I redid the pantry, where I'd reach in to grab the box of snacks and then, oh look, the box is empty. He took the snack out and just put the box back. Why? So we're headed off to the store to get some eggs. I want to go to Dollar Tree. Dan wants to get a squirt gun so he can sit and spray the squirrels that are in the bird feeder behind the couch where he likes to sit. And I was like, sure, man. But I think I'm going to get another one for Cheyenne because last night at like 3 a.m., I don't know what her problem was, but she was just yowling away on the second floor. And I was like, Cheyenne, what in the heck is your problem? She has 2 kinds of food, dry. She gets wet twice a day. And normally she doesn't even finish it. So it's just sitting there waiting for her to finish it during the night. And she has a fancy water fountain, and she has a cup. She prefers to drink out of a cup and not my water fountain. It drives me crazy. And she's got a robot litter box. She's got piles of toys, piles of pet beds. But yeah, let's wake up the humans at 3 a.m. Actually, if you're this far in the video, comment your favorite pencil or marker brand down below, because tomorrow we're going into the classroom. My janitor texted me yesterday, actually, that my room was ready. So we'll be headed to the classroom tomorrow. Yay! First item, check. Squirt guns. A little restock on some of my drink packets. Trying a little dirt rake. And this is what we actually came for. I need this for my diatomaceous earth. Look at those little eggs. They're so cute. Okay, we gotta make toast. Breakfast in the lounger. Got my coffee. Watch my plants. It's weird how when you're a kid, like, you think about being an adult is so great. But now at the ripe old age of 30, my favorite thing is sitting around and just doing nothing. Being an adult is just so weird. Okay, so the theater we're going to has the really nice seats where you can recline back. So we're going to see Inside Out 2. It's Tuesday. Movie tickets are $5 all day. I think it's just something that this company does. So let's pack for the movies. We've got our blanket. We've got our teacher bag. I always wear some sort of shoe that's a slip-on so I can have socks on because I don't want my bare feet on a movie theater seat. I always wear a sweatshirt. I prefer to wear shorts when I'm out and about in the public, but you know, the blanket will be a nice cozy movie. I also have little bowls. Why? Because I have my $5 popcorn refill bucket. I'd say I go to the movies pretty often, and if I had planned this ahead, I would have had a bottled beverage, like a Coke or something, that I could put in the bottom of my bag and smuggle that in as well, so that I'm literally only paying $5 for the ticket and $5 for the popcorn to share with all my friendsies. But we didn't plan it very far in advance what time we were going. And then some people bailed and I was like, oh, we're not even going. And then all of a sudden, out of the blue, we're going again. We are leaving in 10 minutes. I haven't talked to you guys since this morning after I ate breakfast. The neighbors were playing volleyball. There's a mom, there's twin daughters that are in high school, and I love volleyball. So I went over and played volleyball for a couple of hours. I took a shower, edited a YouTube video, and now here we are, ready to go to the movies. Inside Out 2 was really good. Highly recommend it if you enjoyed Inside Out 1. I'm gonna end this video right here and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the classroom.